Google Cloud and Splunk Inc., provider of the Data-to-Everything Platform, have announced a new strategic partnership to help organizations across the world drive actionable insights from their data. This partnership is also expected to enable faster, better decisions with real-time visibility across the enterprise. Splunk Cloud will soon be made available on Google Cloud to assist customers to unlock the value of their data and offer increased flexibility to harness the power of the Splunk Data-to-Everything Platform. The companies will seamlessly integrate Splunk Cloud across Google Cloud, including plans to roll out new native integrations with Anthos, Google Cloud's Operations Suite, and Google Cloud Security Command Center. Doug Merritt, President and CEO, Splunk, remarked Splunk helps companies bring data to every question, decision and action for both on-premises and cloud digitization journeys at incredible speed and great scale. Merritt added, "We chose to partner with Google Cloud to deliver the technology, capabilities and trusted infrastructure required to help businesses connect all forms of data." Splunk Cloud on Google Cloud gives a single pane view to customers when it comes to investigating, monitoring, analyzing and acting on their data with the confidence that it is secured within their trusted Google Cloud infrastructure. This partnership will help Splunk Cloud customers further benefit from Google Cloud's technology capabilities, including artificial intelligence and machine learning, security, networking, and data analytics.